welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzy, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I want to review some items I recently picked up from Uniqufind. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. But before I go ahead and jump right in and share with you guys what I recently picked up, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with Uniqufind, they offer some modern but yet unique-centric designs for your tech, for your gear. They offer so many different options for phone devices. They offer things for iPhones, Galaxies. They offer things for so many different computers, MacBooks, iPads, as well as your gaming devices. So I will leave their link down in the description box if you guys are interested to checking them out to see if they offer something for your specific device and make and model. But I will be sharing with you guys the items I picked up, and I'll share with you guys how I installed them. I picked up their True Memphis design, and this is what it looks like on my MacBook Pro. Super duper cute. And I went ahead and got the matching design for my iPhone, you guys. It's so cute. I love the way it looks like 90s. It looks kind of retro. And if you guys are wondering, well, how do they come up with their designs? They're always on trend. They pretty much follow Instagram to see what's trending, and they also go ahead and take the modern elements and make it into something unique and very stylish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video portion where I share with you guys how I actually went ahead and installed it, because it is so easy. If you just want to buy the skin itself, it retails for $24.99, $25 if you just want to buy the skin itself. But honestly, I think it's worth the investment to go ahead and buy the skin and the case. On their website, it says that their MacBook decals are laser cut to ensure a perfect fit on all device models. They have an easy application. As you guys can see, it's really easy to remove, but it does have a maximum hold, and it doesn't leave any residue after you go ahead and remove it. I also wanted to mention to you guys how much they retail for, as well as for the phone case. So if you wanted to go ahead and buy just the skin, it retails for $25. But if you wanted to go ahead and upgrade to get the skin as well as the case, it'll cost you $35. If you guys want to go ahead and check them out, I will leave the information down in the description box, as well as their Instagram handle, so you guys can see some of the other designs they have. It was so hard for me to choose which one I wanted, but this year I've been on this nostalgic kick, so I wanted to go ahead and get something 90s inspired, which I feel like this True Memphis design really embraces. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
We are